Welcome to MAI Academy. My name is Samuel Omoreji, and I will be your digital instructor for this course, Leadership and Management Execution Challenge. Let me state out what to expect from this course. Leadership is often celebrated as the ability to inspire people, create vision, and make strategic decisions. However, in real-world practice, leadership is judged not by ideas alone, but by the ability to execute those ideas successfully. Many leaders can articulate strong visions, develop impressive strategies, and set ambitious goals, yet only a few are able to transform those ideas into consistent, measurable, and sustainable results. The Leadership and Management Execution Challenge course is designed to address this critical gap between leadership thinking and real-world execution. It focuses on the practical side of leadership, how ideas move from the mind of a leader into structured systems, organized teams, and finally into successful outcomes. In many organizations, failure does not come from lack of intelligence or creativity. Instead, failure comes from poor execution systems. Plans are often unclear, responsibilities are not well defined, progress is not properly tracked, and risks are not managed effectively. As a result, even the best strategies collapse during implementation. This course was created to solve that problem. This program provides a deep understanding of how execution actually works in leadership and management environments. It teaches that execution is not an event, but a structured process that must be built, monitored, and improved continuously. Leaders will learn how to break down big ideas into actionable steps, assign responsibilities effectively, and ensure accountability at every level of implementation. A major focus of this course is the relationship between leadership and management. Leadership defines direction, purpose, and vision. Management organizes resources, structures processes, and ensures delivery. When leadership and management are not aligned, execution fails. This course teaches how to integrate both functions into a unified system of performance. Participants will also explore real-world execution challenges, such as translating abstract ideas into actionable systems, managing teams with clarity and accountability, handling uncertainty and operational risks, ensuring consistent progress tracking, measuring success using clear performance indicators. The course emphasizes that execution is the true test of leadership maturity. A leader is not defined by how many ideas they have, but by how many of those ideas are successfully implemented and sustained over time. By the end of this course, you will be equipped with practical tools and frameworks that help them move from vision to reality. They will be able to design execution systems, manage teams effectively, reduce failure rates, and achieve measurable outcomes in any organizational or business environment. This course is ideal for aspiring leaders, managers, entrepreneurs, project coordinators, and professionals who want to strengthen their ability to deliver results rather than just plan them. The importance of this course lies in its focus on one of the most persistent problems in leadership, business, and organizational development: execution failure. Across industries, many organizations struggle not because they lack ideas, but because they lack the ability to implement those ideas effectively. This course is important because it transforms leadership from a theoretical concept into a practical, results-driven discipline. 1. Bridges the gap between strategy and execution. One of the biggest challenges in leadership is the gap between planning and implementation. Many organizations have strong strategies that never move beyond documentation. This course helps you convert strategic ideas into step-by-step execution plans, ensure that plans are not just theoretical but actionable, align vision with real operational systems. 2. Build strong execution discipline. Execution requires discipline, consistency, and structure. Without discipline, even simple tasks become difficult to complete. This course helps leaders develop structured execution habits, maintain focus on outcomes rather than activity, build consistency in leadership delivery. 3. Improves organizational effectiveness. Organizations succeed when execution systems are strong. Weak execution leads to confusion, delays, and inefficiency. This course helps improve workflow organization, team coordination, task completion rates, operational clarity. 4. Enhances leadership accountability. Many leadership failures occur due to lack of accountability. When responsibilities are unclear, execution breaks down. This course teaches clear delegation of responsibilities, tracking of performance and progress, holding teams accountable for outcomes. 5. Reduces failure in projects and initiatives. Projects often fail due to poor planning execution rather than poor ideas. This course helps reduce failure by identifying execution risks early, structuring proper implementation systems, improving planning accuracy and clarity. 6. Strengthens decision-making and leadership. Good execution depends on good decisions. Poor decisions at the execution level can derail entire projects. This course improves data-driven decision-making, strategic thinking under pressure, practical judgment in real-time situations. 7. Develops real-world leadership competence. The course is not theoretical. It is designed for real-world application. It prepares you to handle organizational challenges, lead teams in practical environments, solve execution problems effectively. 8. Increases productivity and performance. Strong execution systems naturally lead to higher productivity. This course helps eliminate inefficiencies, improve task completion speed, increase output quality. 9. Supports sustainable organizational growth. Sustainable growth requires consistent execution over time, not one-time success. This course ensures long-term planning and implementation, continuous improvement systems, stability in organizational performance. 10. Transforms leaders into result-driven professionals. Ultimately, leadership is measured by results. This course shifts mindset from planning leaders to execution leaders. It helps you focus on measurable outcomes, deliver consistent results, build credibility through performance. I look forward to congratulating you upon the successful completion of this course. To maximize your learning experience, ensure that you actively participate in all individual and group activities, as well as complete the course assessments. Your commitment and dedication will contribute greatly to your success. I wish you the very best throughout this learning journey, and I look forward to celebrating your achievements at the end of the course.